In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows in Coda Tables. By the end, you'll confidently add new entries to any table in your Coda docs without missing a beat. First, open your web browser and head over to Coda. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and log into your account. This ensures you have access to your docs and the right permissions to make edits. If you're part of a shared workspace, double-check you have edit access to the doc you're working in, since view-only mode won't let you add rows. Next, open the Coda doc that contains the table where you want to add rows. If your doc has multiple pages or sections, navigate to the page with the table you're updating. It helps to verify you're on the correct table, especially if you have similar tables for different projects or teams. Now scroll to the bottom of the table. This brings you to the end of the current dataset and ensures your new entry lines up with the existing columns. If your table is grouped or sorted, don't worry. Start at the bottom. After you add your row, Coda may automatically reposition it based on the table's sort or filters. Click the Add Row button. You'll see a fresh row appear with empty cells for each column. Take a moment to look at the column types. Some might be text, numbers, dates, checkboxes, or lookups. Enter the appropriate data for each column. For dates, use the date picker to keep formatting consistent. For select lists or lookups, choose from the available options to maintain clean, reliable data. If a column is required or has a formula, Coda may guide you or fill it in automatically. You can move across cells using the Tab key to keep your typing flow steady. When you're done filling out the new row, press Enter to save it. This commits your changes and makes the row part of the table. If you make a mistake, you can quickly correct the cell and press Enter again. Repeat these steps as needed to add more rows. Keeping your entries consistent, like using the same naming conventions, units, or tags, will make sorting, filtering, and reporting much easier later. That's it. You've added new rows to a Coda table, ensuring your data stays organized and up to date. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.